Hi everyone, our today's task is to create a canvas with bouncing boxes. The boxes should bounce from all sides. As we can see, the boxes are moving around and they bounce off of the canvas when they reach the edge of it. Let's see the code of this application. Um, Firstly, we create the canvas with which is the space where the boxes will move around. So we give an ID canvas with the properties of the width being 500 and the height being 300. We have just declared we have just created the canvas, and now we should we should create the boxes that will move around. Um, so we declare variables. Firstly, we get to canvas by ID. That is the first line. Um, then we define the dimension of our boxes. It will be 2D, two-dimensional. This line of code defines the number of the points or the number of boxes, which is 30. We create an array which will be responsible for the colors of the boxes. In my case, the boxes are black and red. So here we use for loop, which will push the object, which will push the object inside the points array here. Um, as I have declared the number of points 30, our for loop will loop 30 times. These two lines, are responsible for the position of the boxes, which is random. As we use two-dimensional system, we define x and y coordinates by using math random function. The boxes will appear randomly up to the width and to the height of the canvas. The following two lines are responsible for the height and the width of the boxes. These two properties are generated randomly using here also math random function multiplied by 20 to make them a little bit bigger, and delta and y delta define the direction of the boxes when they hit the canvas. So here the draw function is responsible for animation. Firstly, we clear our canvas, this first line. Um, so firstly, uh, so each point here we fill with already predefined colors, which are black and red in my case. And this line actually draws the boxes in X and Y coordinate system. Here we have if statement. Here we have if statement which checks if the point hits the edge of the canvas. So if the point is greater than the width of the canvas, or it is smaller or equal to 0, if either of these two conditions is true, so the x coordinate value decreases and the box moves to the opposite side when it hits the edge of the canvas. The same is true for y values. So the same is true for the value of y. And finally, we have animate function. Um, uh, and we set timeout, which takes two parameters, animate and time, which is 10 milliseconds. So it defines when the animate function will start again, will be restarted, and finally we call our function. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching and goodbye.